Good day, girls and boys. You are welcome to our next video lesson. The theme of our lesson is Sea Adventures. Today you'll describe picture and theme using new vocabulary. What weather is it like? It's sunny. What season is it? It's summer. Where are the children? They are on the beach. Are they building a sandcastle? No, they aren't. Are there any shells on the beach? No, there aren't. What activity are they going to do? They are going to dive. Do they like diving? Why? They like diving very much because they like sea adventures. Let's learn new words. Take pictures. Take pictures. Фотографировать. Делать снимки. Dive. Dive. Нырять. Googles. Googles. Плавательные очки. Watch. Watch. Наблюдать. Flippers. Flippers. Ласты. Swimming equipment. Swimming equipment. Плавательное оборудование. What sea animals do you know? Dolphin. Dolphin. Дельфин. Whale. Whale. Кит. Crab. Crab. Краб. Turtle. Turtle. Морская черепаха. Sea star. Sea star. Морская звезда. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Медуза. Octopus. Octopus. Осьминог. Shark. Shark. Акула. Horsefish. Horsefish. Рыба-конек. Coral. Coral. Коралл. These children are going by a submarine. It has got 3 big round windows. The children are happy because they like sea adventures. They like watching sea animals underwater. Children see different kinds of sea animals. What are they? Name them. What sea animals can they see? And at the end of our lesson, let's write your homework. The first task is to write new words and learn them. And the second task is to do tasks in the worksheet. Thank you for your attention, guys. Goodbye.